Welcome in Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. Hello everyone, myself Sheetal Mangrolkar. Class 2nd, subject EVS. My topic name is water. Life is not possible without water. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing and washing. Animals and plants also need water to grow. Sources of water. We get water mainly from rain. Rainwater fills in puddles, ponds, lakes, rivers and streams. We can also see the rainwater on the surface of the earth. It is called surface water. We build ponds, canals, dams to reserve the surface water. Some rainwater goes below the ground. This is called groundwater. We draw groundwater from wells and pumps. We get water at our homes from taps. Now, drinking water means what? The water obtained from different sources is not fit for drinking. It contains many impurities and germs. For examples, rainwater collects germs and dust from the air. Similarly, water from the sea contains too many dissolved salts. Drinking such water can make us ill. The water we drink should be clean and germ-free. The most common way to clean water is boiling. We should boil the water before drinking it. Boiling kills the germs in the water. We can also clean water by using a water filter. Filters are also used to clean water. Water should be stored in clean and closed containers. Now, saving water. Water is precious. We should not waste it. Rainwater can be stored in buckets, drums and tanks. This water can be used for watering plants, washing clothes and bathing. Some other ways to save water are given below. Always keep drinking water covered. Have a bath with a bucket of water instead of a shower. Turn off the taps after using them. Water is essential for all living things. We get water from rainfalls. Rainwater get collected in lakes, rivers, ponds and seas. River water is cleaned before reaching our homes. We should drink fresh and clean water. We should save as much water as we can. We should not waste it. Now conclusion. In this lesson, we have learnt about plants and animals also need water to grow. There are two types of sources of water are natural source and second one is man-made source. Drinking water means what? Why we are boiling the water? How we can save water? Water is essential for all living things. Thanks for watching.